Orange County today. We're in the GTR once again. I'm sorry to those that want to see some M3 content on the channel. I'm sorry. I'm just super obsessed with driving this car lately. I'm sure you guys can understand. This car is so freaking fun to drive. I cannot get over it. I can drive it all day long. But like I said, we're on the way to Orange County today. We're gonna meet up with a couple homies down there at this shop. It's actually an exotic car shop, so a lot of exotic cars, probably Lamborghinis, Ferraris, all kinds of sick cars are gonna be there. Bro, I got a GTR.
Dude, hard.
You like it?
Yes.
Alright guys, we made it over here at Supreme Exotics. Like I said, they have a bunch of exotic cars here. This is the best one though. Just kidding. This shit's hard. You guys know that's the next goal right there. A Huracan. Got some McLarens. This shit's nice too. I think it's a 570, I think. I don't know. I don't really know much about McLarens, but this shit's fire. And it sounds badass. I heard it when it pulled up right now. And the doors go up. We got this AMG here. Getting, I think, blow-off valves to it. Should we race them, guys? Who do you guys think is going to win if we did race? I think we might do a little run today. The GTR that's completely stock, or this, which I don't know what he has done to it. If I had to guess, probably an exhaust. I don't know. Gold. The Lime Rock edition, Kevin. That's a real spaceship, bro. Yeah, and then we got AMS's E30 here for all the E30 lovers. This sounds crazy. Sounds sick. Oh, that blow valve sounds crazy. What the? Bro, that shit pulls hard. I don't know. I'm scared. Oh my god, bro. That shit's insane. The sexiest Porsche I've ever seen. Oh, it's so loud.
That's insane.
This shit is insane, dude. Look at this. In a street car, this fool got no windows. Alright guys, we're about to go for a little cruise. Is it fast?
Nah, homie. Hold on, I need to talk my shit, bro.
That shit's loud, bro. It's crazy. Bro, that shit is literally fast. Oh my god, it's a cop, bro. Bro, I don't have plates. Guys, there's a cop next to me and I think I'm getting pulled over. Oh, this is gonna suck. Guys. Namza, bro. Well, guys, it's gonna suck. But the time we've all been waiting for. Getting pulled over in the GTR for the first time. Damn it. I actually just recently purchased a car.
Oh, really?
The beginning of this month.
Okay. Well, where'd you buy it from?
Utah.
Utah.
Yeah, I drove all the way over here.
Okay.
But I have all the paperwork. I mean, what I have, the...
Yeah, I see. address the 20. Normally, when you get a car, they put temporary.
The temporary plate. That's what I was asking for, but I don't know how they do it in
Is this
Utah.
car with you?
No, I don't know who it is.
You know this guy?
Yeah, he's my friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
We see their paperwork.
Oh, here we go. So here's, I don't know. You can look at it. But
Okay.
Here you
I see
go.
your registration and insurance.
That's the bill of sale, I believe. The purchase
Okay.
thing?
How about your registration
Let me see.
or insurance?
Yeah, I have the
and
insurance
your
card
driver's
right
license.
So I got the car insured already.
Okay.
I
Awesome.
haven't been able to get it registered because of all the DMV stuff that's been happening.
Okay.
Paper that I've been submitting.
This all current?
Yeah, that's all current. Everything's all up to date.
Okay. Hold on a second for me, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And it's supposed to have Utah registration? and you haven't been able to register?
I haven't been able to register in California because
when
all
did you
the
say you got the car?
I got it in the beginning of this April.
Beginning of April?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's been about a month?
About a month, yeah.
Okay. All right. Hold on.
Bro. So he told me he pulled me over because I had no plate. He pulled over Amza too. So guys, we were driving through the intersection and I don't know if you could see in the clip, but Amza was revving it. And I don't think he saw the cop because I didn't see it either. But he was revving it and the cop's attention. The cop got behind both of us. I should have just kept going straight. I don't know why I made a left. I should have just kept going straight. I probably could have got away with this, but made a left with Amza and the cop obviously pulled us both over. I was hoping I could just keep going, but he was flashing his lights like crazy. But guys, the biggest thing I was worried about is this car has no plates. It's not registered yet. I have all the paperwork. I gave him all the paperwork I have. But like he was saying right now, he's like, so it's been a month since you bought the car. There is like a time frame where you need to register it. And hopefully the cop's cool about how long it's taking to register because of everything that's happening in the world right now.
Well, good thing you got insurance on it.
Yeah, I did that right away as soon as I could.
Okay. It's a Nissan?
Yeah, Nissan.
Okay.
And then about the registration, I've been trying to get it registered and all the DMVs are closed. I've been calling. I've been trying everything, yeah. And
the way
then, like,
things are right now, I get
it
it.
sucks, yeah.
All right.
I'm praying to God that this guy just lets me go right now. The only thing I'm worried about, guys, is that he impounds the car because it is not registered yet. They're taking pictures of the cars. Fuck, guys, what is he doing? I don't even know what he's doing.
Just going to issue a ticket for not having your plates.
Okay.
Fix the ticket, all
Okay,
right?
thank you.
But you need to get that done. Just need you to use your finger, sign your name in the box here by signing. You're not admitting guilt.
Yeah,
Just promise to take care of this by the
of course.
2nd of July.
Okay.
Okay? Hold on a second.
I don't really have a plate. Technically, I should have asked him. But I don't have a plate. Technically, I don't have a plate to put on though. Like, I didn't choose to drive with no plate. I don't have a plate. But I don't even want to argue. I just want to just give me whatever. Give me the $25 ticket and I'll leave. I hope that's it. And I hope he lets me go. And I hope he lets Amza go too.
Not even the plates. It's a fix-it ticket.
Okay.
Okay, so once you get them on, just get it signed off there. Okay?
Okay.
Do you understand what I've explained?
I understand. I don't have a plate right now.
Yeah.
For
I
now.
understand.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it taken
And
care
so
of.
you'll have until, I think it's July 2nd. But if it gets close, you can always call the court and ask for an extension.
And then, but I'm saying, like, let's say I'm driving again and I get pulled over with no plate.
Just show
them on this?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
And then is there like a certain time period I can't drive? To drive with no plate?
Not really.
No? Okay.
Yeah, I understand the situation.
Yeah, I'm trying as hard as I could to register, but
All right.
but thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, well, he seems really cool actually. Sorry guys, that's very hard to hold this camera. There's nowhere good to set the camera in a GTR. There's nowhere to put it. The good thing is that you guys heard him say is if I ever get pulled over in the future, just show him this fix-it ticket and it should be my pass to go. I should be able to get away with it with this. The insurance, huh?
I'm sorry.
Thank you, no worries. Well guys, I think I'm good to go. Oh, I can't believe this. Bro, what the fuck? I want to get out of here, dude. God, guys, that was so stressful. You guys don't understand how stressed I was when I saw those lights come on. Oh, but I think we're good. We're out. Hopefully Amza is good. I'm gonna give him a call right now and hopefully they let him go as well. Good thing is, I don't know if you guys heard the cop, but he said that if I would get pulled over in the future for no plate and how the car's not registered yet and all that stuff, as long as I have that ticket with me, show the cop that ticket, tell him I already got pulled over with no plate before. And he says that they understand that all the DMVs are closed right now. They understand the situation. They understand that it's hard to get a car registered at this moment. And I'm kind of feel a lot better. I feel like a lot of stress is off my shoulders now because Oh my God, I wanted to just get it over with and just get pulled over and ask a cop firsthand, like, am I able to drive the car? Well, it's not registered and has no plates. And as you guys heard, he said that it's all good as long as I have that ticket, as long as I have my paperwork. And I was trying to be respectful to the cop and he let me go. Yeah, he gave me a fix-it ticket for the no plate, but I told him I don't have a plate. He's like, I understand, but
it's fine. Hey, that's fine.
that's what I told him. I was like, I'm not gonna complain, bro. I'll pay your $25 ticket.
You can get that written off for $25.
Exactly.
First I was like, Alec, there's a cop. He was like, oh fuck. So then this fool slowed down, and then you guys, bro, this fool starts revving his car. I'm like, fuck, please do not do that.
Bro, I was just recording, bro. I even have it on footage. Like, his car was blocking my view of the cop.
Do you realize the cop was sitting next to your car the whole time?
At least we got a good thumbnail. It looks like Need for Speed.
Oh my God, he's leaving.
You let him go?
Yeah, he's free man.
Well, as you guys hear, I guess Adams is a free man. He let us both go. I don't know if Adams got a ticket. Probably got like an exhaust ticket, which I'm guessing because Adams' car's pretty loud. Me and Adams both didn't see the cop until last minute. Like, right when we were passing him, that's when we saw the cop. So, thank God that the cop let us both go, dude. I'll take a $25 fix-it ticket. I'm down. I was just so worried that if I got pulled over with no registration, no plates, that the cop was gonna take my car, but he didn't take it, guys.
What did he give you?
Bro, he gave me a fix-it ticket.
Bro, he could have fucked my day up.
He could have fucked all our day up.
Why is my car always famous for getting pulled over?
I
What
know,
the
guys. I
fuck?
just get pulled over in all my videos.
Make sure you swipe up and subscribe.
Dude, listen, bro. He wanted to fuck me up in the beginning, bro. He was so pissed. He was
I know,
like,
I couldn't tell if he was mean or
bro,
not.
he was pissed.
Bro.
He's like, can you get off Instagram and show me your insurance? I was like, bro, I'm not on Instagram, dog. Like,
I start fucking racing.
No, we weren't racing, bro.
He was spraying the fuck out of his car.
I wanted him to hear it, bro.
I know, I heard it, bro, and the cop heard it too. You got a ticket?
Hey,
Nah, I didn't.
So I got a
You didn't
ticket, and you
give me a
didn't?
ticket.
Damn.
I'm the only one who got a ticket today,
How far
then.
was that? How far was that though? That photo.
That picture's sick.
Tell us. So
What?
you were tripping out this whole time.
Yes,
while
bro.
driving your car.
But now I'm not tripping. Like, now I feel so much better. Just,
Now you're like, fuck it. I already got the. You got the ticket now, so
exactly.
You
I can just keep showing them, bro. This is my.
Hey, he just got me, bro. Come on.
You got
like
me
a
yesterday.
third
I'm
person.
good.
You know what I mean?
Exactly. I'm glad I got it over with, bro. But I'm gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please smash the like button for your boy because I got pulled over and it freaking sucks. I got a ticket. I can't even believe I got a ticket today. I did not think I was gonna get a ticket. I knew I was gonna get pulled over sooner or later with no plate, but we got a plate ticket. Not too bad. I think if I put a plate on once I get my plates, it'll be like a $25 ticket. So I'm down with that as long as they didn't impound my car. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26 shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing